Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss how to handle events in functional component. Whenever we interact with any HTML elements like button, text box, at that time some event is generated. Like for whenever we click on the button, at that time click event is generated. Whenever we move the mouse, at that time mouse move event is generated. So how to handle those events, that portion I will discuss today. Okay, I will discuss only the click event. You can apply or you can use the same concept to handle other events too. Okay, let's start. Now here what I have done, in the src folder I have created a folder named as custom components. Right now inside this custom component, let me create a file named as student.js. okay, now what I will do here, I will create a functional component. Let me create that. First of all, we need to import the React package. As you know, import React from React. Okay, after that we will create the functional component const. Let me give the functional component name as student equals to this. Now here I am using the arrow function to create the functional component. Right, after that here we can write export default, and after that the name, that is student. This portions I have discussed already in my previous videos. Right, now here what I will do, here I will use the return, and inside the return what I will do, I will create a button inside the div tag. Okay, so I am writing div, and here I will create the button, and let me give the button caption as click me. Now what I want is that whenever I will click on this button, at that time an alert box will be generated. This means I need to handle the click event. Okay, and to handle the click event of button, we need to use on click. Okay, on click equals to, now here what I will do, I will call a function named as display. Now this function we need to create. Now in JavaScript it is possible to create a function inside a function. So what I will do, I will create a function here, display equals to, let me create it as an arrow function too. Okay, and here what this function will do, this function will display an alert box. So let me write alert, and after that here let me give a message, you clicked me. Okay, you clicked me. Right, that's it. Now let me save this, and let me go to the browser to see the changes. Sorry, I need to import the component also. I made a mistake. After creating this functional component student, I need to use this inside the root component app.js. And what I will do, I will use student here, student, and once I write like this, then the student is imported here. Now what I will do is that, let me save it, file, save. Now let me go to the browser, then you can see the button has been generated, click me, and once I click here, then you can see the message, you clicked me. Okay, now here one important point I would like to discuss is that here you can see I have not given the parenthesis. Now what will happen if you give the parenthesis here? Now let me give the parenthesis, and let me save this, and let me go to the browser. Then you can see once I give the parenthesis here, there means in this particular case here, if I give the parenthesis, then what happens, once I run in the browser, then automatically without clicking the button, the alert box is generated. Okay, and after that if I click on the button, nothing is happening. So remember that whenever you are calling the function, at that time there is no need to give this parenthesis. Okay, this is a common mistake which the beginners generally do. Okay, this is how we can use events in functional component. Okay, I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.